Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on this 2020 Kia NIRO hybrid, and their concern is they're not getting enough hot air coming from their HVAC vent. What I noticed is a very low coolant. I did look around, my oil level is good, and I could not find any leak. If you guys stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys where to check next. So this is what I suspected. Kia called this muffler complete center. Yep, Kia called it that way. But this job is basically there's a coolant line here. You know, this one is a hybrid. So they designed this one. This is your catalytic converter. This guy will heat up easily. Then they decided to put this one here. The coolant will travel and the coolant get warmed up easily and then go back to your engine. When you turn on the heater, you will gonna get warm air faster because of this one right here. And I've seen this guy leak in the past. I don't see any obvious leak right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I believe they're like 19 millimeter, and let's see what's going on inside. All right, I got 19 millimeter. Okay. All right, let's see inside. All right, guys. Yep, that is coolant right there. It does not leak much, but it is leaking right there. All right. So if you guys have leaking coolant and you can't find it, you can check this out first. Right there. Coolant.
A few moments later.
Guys, so luckily we do have a part right there. Can't believe we have one. So let's go ahead and replace this one. But first, I need to find out if this hose are included in that part right there. Let's check it out. By the way, here is the part number. All right, so here it is. So it doesn't have the hose. I bet this one is going to be expensive because this is your catalytic converter and it's part of it. I don't know if Kia will sell this one separately, or maybe you can just kind of like cut it there and install this one, right, to make the repair a little bit cheaper. But I don't know. All right. Oh man, you know what? I am having a hard time to press this thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and deal with it right here. I think it's gonna be a lot easier. Ooh, that's a lot of coolant. Alright, so I got my 19 back. You know what? Maybe a good idea to start right here. Yeah. There you go. Alright guys, so here is the gasket exhaust pipe part number 27751-2V100. And here is the other exhaust gasket. Oh, part number is 28751-3S100. Oops. It is the wrong one. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's the wrong one. So unfortunately we don't have this gasket. We notify the customer. The customer is okay to reuse this one and make sure. We're just gonna check it later. Hopefully it's not gonna leak. So just letting you know, don't worry about that sticker. That sticker will burn out easily and it's not gonna cost anything. All right, let's do this. So make sure you guys install this one correctly. I saw people will install this way. So you gotta install it that way. Ooh, I almost forgot the clamp. Oh. Ha. Uh-oh. Wrong way. It's supposed to be this way right here. And then, Mark, do we have anything for tomorrow?
As of right now.
Tomorrow? Like, what do you mean?
work.
Alright, so this one is installed correctly. Let's work on the bottom one. Okay. We're just gonna do this really quick. Okay. There we go. Alright. Is that supposed to be touching right there? I don't think so. Right there. Cool. Oh no. I'm out of solvent. That's good enough. Right there, so I'm gonna add coolant here and bleed the system. Alright guys, so let's start the engine and keep it running. This little tool will keep the engine running. Oops. Alright. Gonna keep adding coolant. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so my engine's been idling for like 15 to 20 minutes now. I got my flare and I'm going to show you guys what is the temperature here. Oh, right now is 137. Oh yeah. I think this car is fixed. Cool. Gotta have one of this. It's pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it. Alright, so last check we're gonna do is check those hoses. Hopefully those things are not leaking. Let's go ahead and do that really quick. Alright guys, so I don't see any coolant leak. And this gasket is not leaking. So I think we're good to go here. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.